Jim, clinics, hospitals, and testing sites are not only seeing a surge in cases, but an uptick in people looking to get tested. Medical Director for Region 4, Dr. Tina Stefanski, says testing sites are seeing an increase in positive cases after the holidays. Today alone, the testing site at the Clifton Chenier Center tested more than 300 people. It is seeing about 35% of those tests coming back positive.
We started to see that increase last week. 15 to 20% of people who were coming through were testing positive, and today it's over 30%. So we definitely have seen a shift. We started to see that really right before Christmas, an increase in the number of people who were coming through and testing positive.
Stefanski also says a traditional symptom of COVID, the loss of taste and smell, aren't as common with the Omicron variant. Plus, the monoclonal antibody infusion is ineffective against the new variant.
So the monoclonal antibodies that we've been using for Delta aren't effective against Omicron. And so we're having to shift and use another product, or sotrovimab. We only have a couple of hundred doses in the state of sotrovimab, so very limited access for that medication. And so that's not available to people, to most people right now. So if you do test positive for COVID, know that we don't have these monoclonal antibodies readily available. It's going to probably be a couple of weeks before the supply increases enough to meet the demand.
As the new year approaches, Stefanski urges everyone to get tested before going to large gatherings, adding a person can transmit the virus up to 2 days without showing symptoms.
People, if we can increase our vaccination rates, people who've been vaccinated will get their boosters. I think that is going to be our best bet at helping to keep us, to keep us all healthy and well, and to help preserve our healthcare system. Really not the time for large gatherings, which sounds counterintuitive when we're talking about New Year's Eve and New Year's, but that's the reality.
The testing site behind me, the Clifton Chenier Center, is open for testing from Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 2:15 in the afternoon, and they're also doing vaccinations here as well. Live in Lafayette, Trey Francis, KETC, TV3.